Hello everyone, this is Arti Thakre from the Rasab Balpani College of Diploma in Pharmacy. Today discuss about the topic is lymphatic system. In that lymphatic system, the lymph is present in the presence of lymph node. The lymph node which is present in all over the body, especially in case of neck, axilla, thorax, abdomen regions. In that case, lymph is produces. The definition of lymph is the fluid within the lymph capillaries and vessels are called as lymph. And lymph is clear colorless body fluid that form and closes in the blood. They are similar composition in blood plasma but different in concentrations. That is lymph. The component of lymphatic system is lymph capillaries, lymph vessels, thoracic duct, lymphatic duct, lymph nodes, and other lymphatic tissues. The first two, the lymph capillary lymph vessels, they are carrying away the lymphs from the body. The next thoracic duct, right lymphatic duct is responsible for the drain the air and lymph or fluid into the left and right innominate veins respectively. Then lymph node. The lymph node contains the two vessels, that is afferent and efferent vessels. This afferent and efferent vessel is responsible for the carrying the lymph from that and lymph nodes away the lymph with the help of afferent lymphatic vessels and to the body. And this lymph node which is present in case of the line, the leg, axilla, thorax, abdomen regions. These lymph nodes are the oval, vein or kidney shaped bodies. They are located in the passage of the lymphatic vessels. It is responsible for the by trafficking the foreign particles in microorganisms. This is lymph node. The function of lymphatic system, the first function is the circulations. Circulations that is to return the tissue fluid to the general circulations. Second is the fat digestions. The product of fat digestion is carried to the circulation by the lacteals. Then transportation of lymphocytes from lymph gland to the circulations. Antibody formation by the lymph gland for the protection of the body. The next slide is the lymphatic tissues. The lymphatic tissue is divided into two forms, that is spleen and thymus. The spleen is slightly oval in shape with hilum on lower middle border. This is the largest lymphatic tissue on the body. It is situated into the left of the stomach, below the diaphragm under the 9, 10 and 11 ribs. It is 12 cm long, 8 cm broad and 3 cm thick. Weight of that 150 gram in adult. It is surrounded by the kidney, colons and pancreas. That is the structure of that means. The function of the spleen is erythrocytes are destroyed, phagocytes reaction, reservoir of erythrocytes, hepatocytes, lymphocytes, and toxin formations. The first is erythrocytes are destroyed. That is mean by these are destroyed, that is the phagocytic reaction against the foreign particles. It is a reservoir of the cellular lead of the body, reservoir formation. Hepatocytes increase the oxygen carrying capacity. Formation of WBC, that is lymphocytes, and antibody antitoxins formations against the infection by the tubercular bacillus. The last is the disease and disorders of the lymphatic system. There are three disorders and disease: lymphoma, that is the cancer of lymph node; Castleman disease, that is lymph node enlargement; lymphangiomatosis, that is this disease involves the multiple cysts. That is lymphatic system. Thank you everyone. Thank you.